Hey guys, we received this Ariteco travel backpack, the 50-liter expandable extra large laptop backpack. It's a carry-on backpack for the airline, and then it's a water resistance business suitcase Daypack bag. So it can fit up to 617 inches. As you can see, comes in a nice box. This is the whole carry-on things where you can put in your clothes with this all the straps and everything. So this is a great space in here with additional pockets to keep some small stuff, so you can easily do that. So my impression for this bag is that it have a lot of space, and you can compartments where you can put in your stuff. As you can see it here, you can expand and then use this as a carry-on to put in your clothes and stuff. So here is the USB port also you can use, so if you want to extend, and then you can just close this zipper is a high quality zipper, as you can smoothly zip it up. Side pockets for the water bottle, and then also have a back pockets for your mobile and stuff. This is for the laptop, so you can easily do that and store your laptops in here. Is a laptop pocket. Say I'm just putting in one laptop, so this can be used as a tablet, and then the bigger pocket is for the laptops, so you can store like the small tablets and stuff up front, and then the laptop in the back. So this is a nice design as I showed, and then the back pockets for the things, and then you can expand this as well for 3.1 inches after expansion, and this is the expansion zipper. So the straps are really comfortable, and you can also use this to close the stuff, and the first small pocket for mobile or your other things. So waterproof cover in here, then small pockets to put in your tickets or the any small items like keychains and stuff. So this have ample pockets as I can see, and have a lot of storage that you can easily use. The zipper and everything is of high quality. Then you have this big zipper things to put all in your small stuff and things. So I'm just putting in some clothes just to show. So you can easily lock up this with this elastic rubber pack, so elastic band. So this will store up easily all the clothes, and then you can just close, so all your clothes can come in here, and you can just zip it up, so this becomes your carry on. So from the side they also have a handle, so if you don't want to use it on a back strap, you can use the handles, and then you can expand this as well. So here, like after the expansion, you can see you can put in more stuff, and you can easily then carry on these things. See, like all these clothes after the expansion, you can store more, like this jacket and things, and then you can easily close this. So basically a really great space, or the nice space based on this small bag, and then also you can easily carry this with this expansion with your laptop, all other small stuff. So it's a great for the travel and carry out and anywhere. So while just taking this, this looks good as a normal backpack on the top, and then it's easy to handle and carry as well. So you can also use the side handle to take this anywhere you want, and then have a lot of space and things you can easily carry. So very nice backpack. I like this for your travel and my travel and stuff.